Watch out, Chris. Don't hit while she's holding it.
All right, I'll throw it up. You hit it. Uh-oh.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, pitch it.
Pitch it, yeah.
Pitch it to him.
Now put back down for her. And you turn right.
Probably won't work.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll break open.
Get a hold for that brush.
Smack it.
Oh,
The legs come off.
Hey, you want it? Right up. You know you can.
That thing is taking a beat.
Okay, Chris, give it to Ager now. Chris, give it to Ager.
You get Sherry? Brunch gets one.
Thank you.
You pick one there, Brunch. You don't like chocolate?
Did you get it?
You don't eat chocolate.
Still blurry.
He don't eat chocolate.
He does.
Now you want chocolate?
Sure.
Go get one. Pick a chocolate. I'll pick one of these chocolates. I want one too. Pick $1 too.
Oh.
You have that.